What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently the stock market are on the higher end. It's very hard to invest in some stocks, especially in the technology industry. So I choose some other industries that the price haven't reached the highest level and maybe can provide you guys some ideas. So I look at the aerospace and defense area because recently there's increase in the space fever as SpaceX has successfully launched the rocket. And also for the international tense situation, a lot of countries has upgraded their defense system. So today I would like to talk about Lockheed Martin. Ticker symbol is LMT. I will talk about some bulls opinions and bears opinion and whether this stock would be a good investment. So the first bull opinion is that Lockheed Martin, their joint venture ULA, has received $1 billion contract from the government along with SpaceX. Their partnership with Boeing, which is called ULA, have 60% of the contract while SpaceX have 40%. So this contract are worth over $5 billion and are valid for a number of launches that will take place from 2022 to 2026. So when we look at the revenue source of LMT, we see that around 24% is come from the space system. So this contract can confirm the sales and the revenue for Lockheed Martin in the next 5 years. So this news shows people's passion to going into the space, and that would be a good news for Lockheed Martin stock price. The second bull opinion is Lockheed Martin has been the leader in this industry. According to their revenue source, we saw that 40% is from aeronautics, 24% from mission system and training, and the space system accounts for 18%, and missile and fire control accounts for 17%. So Lockheed Martin has the biggest market share when comparing with its competitors. It has a current 109 billion market share, and it has the leading technology in the aeronautics area. In the past 5 years, its revenue has been grown from 14.6 billion to the current 59 billion. Its earnings per share has also grown from the $11 in 2015 to the current $22 in 2019. Although, like most people, I think war will be harmful for people's lives. I feel bad for that it's happening, but there's no doubt that in the past 5 years, there's a lot of going on worldwide, and each country seems to has increased their budget in the defense area. And because of the special nature of this industry, most of the orders comes from the government, especially the US government. So, and because the demand is certain, so the company doesn't worry about that it will not get orders in the next several years. But also because the orders all come from the government and they charge based on their cost instead of based on their real value, that is also shows that their profit margin would be very stable, not like a lot of technology companies that their profit margin can grow over the year, like what Nvidia did. And the third bull opinion is the company spend a lot of R&D each year, and its technology has become one of the advanced technology around the world. And as we can see from its revenue source, US orders just takes around 76%, and the rest is the orders from the rest of the world. That shows their technology is also recognized by the other countries, and that's something they would like to pay for. As for their investors, we can see that State Street is one of the biggest shareholders, which accounts 15% of the position, and Vanguard accounts for 8%, while BlackRock accounts for 6%. We know that a lot of people put their 401k in Vanguard, and Vanguard is famous for its stable return. This also shows that this stock is very stable and have a very steady growth from year to year. So the current PE ratio, moreover, the current PE ratio is 17, which is on the lower end, especially in the current stock market situation. The stock also pay around 2.45% of dividend, so that will also a plus by investing in this stock. However, there are also two bear opinions I have seen. The first opinion is that because of the gross margin is relatively stable, so the company would not be very anticipated for its gross margin growth. It seems impossible for LMT to grow for 10% in one day. So yeah, if some investors they're particularly interested in speculation, this stock may not be one of the choices. The second bear opinion is that LMT also face a lot of competitors in US. Like in this year in April, Raytheon has merged with United Technologies along with other competitors like Boeing. The company needs to win the bid for the government orders in order to reach their revenue goal. And I also remember that Trump has complained that one of their product, F-35 aeronautics, is too expensive and they're looking for alternative products from Boeing. But later on, he has changed his mind and going back to LMT and think LMT provide better products. So the competitors would also create a risk for the stock price. Yeah, so that's all the bulls and bears of LMT stock I'd like to share with you guys today. So I'm not an expert in this aerospace and defense area. If you guys have opinion about LMT stock or any other stocks, I'd love to learn. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!